Hey there! Today we're going to tackle a problem involving a four-state Markov chain simulation in R. The problem requires us to modify the simulation to account for introducing new patients at the start of each iteration and remove patients in state 4. It's a tricky challenge, but with the right approach, we can make it happen. Let's delve into the solution provided. We start by defining the transition matrix and setting up the parameters for the simulation, like the number of iterations, initial people, and simulations. We need these to create a solid foundation for the upcoming modifications. Now, let's focus on the key part of the solution, the run_simulation function. It involves adding new patients at the beginning of each iteration, transitioning patients accordingly, and calculating the percentages for each state while filtering out new and discharged patients. This critical function ensures the simulation runs smoothly with all necessary adjustments. Moving forward with the same solution, we execute the simulation process across multiple iterations, keeping an eye on the progress as we go. It's crucial to ensure each step is executed correctly to obtain accurate results and maintain the integrity of the simulation. Next, we calculate the average percentages across all simulations, compute confidence intervals, reshape the data for visualization, and prepare the data for plotting. These steps are vital in analyzing and representing the simulation's outcomes effectively. As we approach the end, we set up the final visualization, creating a graph to showcase the average percentage of people in each state over time. It's a culmination of all the hard work put into the simulation, providing a clear visual representation of the data. Finally, we update the diagram to better visualize the concepts used in the simulation adjustments. It's essential to have a clear and informative diagram to complement the simulation results and enhance understanding. In conclusion, we've successfully addressed the problem by enhancing the simulation to accommodate new patients and discharged patients. It's been a journey full of coding challenges, but we've come out victorious. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy coding!